We're here at NTEA 2016 in Indianapolis, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration run-through of the Prime Design ErgoRack on a low-roof Ford Transit. Simply release the handle, rotate it into position, and with one or two fingers, simply step back. When the ladder reaches top dead center, or 12 o'clock, you simply release it and the hydraulic cylinder will control the descent. Removing the ladder from the rack, simply lift with your left arm, lower it to the ground where you can remove it from the rack and put it into a shoulder carry position to go to the work site. Return the ladder, and again, walking backwards. Once you pass over top dead center, release the handle. Handle's in place, and you have a padlock location to secure it. For more information on the Prime Design ErgoRack, you can go to primedesign.net.